How's it going, Eliminators? Today I just wanted to do a quick little video letting you guys know that in the near future we will be doing a sticker shoutout video. Now, you guys know that in my videos I try to stay on topic, so I don't usually like to include things at the end of a video. Let's say I'm doing a carb clean and then at the end of that video I'll include something maybe about somebody's sticker, and if you guys don't click on that video because you don't see that particular topic in the thumbnail or the video's title, you might miss it. So I generally like to do things all at once in one specific video. So with that being said, in my intros and outros, you've probably seen my sticker board in the back there filling up. And I do plan on doing a sticker shoutout in the near future. But I don't want to split it up into a whole bunch of videos. I'd like to do one big video covering pretty much all of the subscribers' stickers. So if you're subscribed to this channel and you have a YouTube channel yourself, whether you do small engine repair or maybe you do something else, and you want to be included in the sticker shoutout video, then you're going to have to send me one of your stickers. Now, if you want one of ours, then we can do a sticker swap. And to do that, you're going to send an email with your information to the email address listed in the description and in the comments down below. I wanted to do this video to let everybody know that we're going to be doing the upcoming sticker shoutout because I'd like to include as many channels as possible. So with that being said, let's check some of them out. Now, this is just our toolbox here. You guys are going to see some channels that you probably notice and are subscribed to, and maybe some others that you've never heard before. Some of these stickers are going to be coming off of the board. They don't have anything really to do with our channel. I emailed these guys here, Death Wish Coffee Company, and tried to get them to send us some coffee. Unfortunately, they didn't, so their stickers are getting torn off of this board shortly. But whether you are a small channel, a large channel, you guys can see quite a few building up here on the board. You don't even have to do small engine repair. Send us an email, we can do a sticker swap and get you included in the upcoming sticker shoutout video. There is still some room down here and we still got the whole bottom section to do. Like I said, whether you're a small channel or a big channel, or whether you are a channel sponsor like Diode Dynamics or Induction Innovations, which brings us to our next topic, which is going to be Induction Innovations. You guys know they sent us the Venom HP induction heating tool. Hands down, one of the greatest tools that I have in my shop. And we're in contact with them to work on something very special. If and when this channel hits 100,000 subscribers, we're trying to work out a giveaway with Induction Innovations. You guys are gonna wanna stay tuned for that, and you guys are not gonna wanna miss that. Hopefully everything goes according to plan. In the meantime though, they did send us a little care package here. We have a nice microfiber cloth that's branded with their logo. We have a couple little poker chips here. They do have metal on the inside because they do stick to these little standard flathead screwdrivers with the magnetic base. You guys can see we also have a little metal thermos. That's very nice, branded Induction Innovations. And we even got some custom Induction Innovations Chipotle Hot Sauce. Now, I'm not big on cooking here on the channel. Obviously, this is a small engine repair channel, so I didn't think it would be all that relatable to do a cooking video and review their hot sauce here. But it just so happens I know somebody that can. So out of all the stickers and channels that you guys see in front of us, I figure what better way to start out the sticker shout out than by shouting out my good friend John, aka T-Bone. He's a local butcher here who does small engine repair on the side. He just started his own YouTube channel and at the time of recording has 300 subscribers. And just like Eliminator Performance, when you type in Chubby Butcher, look for the CB. That's his logo there. He posts cooking videos. They're very well done. Now, T-Bone doesn't know that I'm doing this video or that I'm giving his channel a shout out. So if you go over there, check him out, make sure you let him know Jake from Eliminator sent you. And if you want to see the old man, you're going to have to look at the Smash Burgers video. Chubby Butcher included him in that one. So we're going to be sending this bottle of Induction Innovations Chipotle Hot Sauce over to the Chubby Butcher for review. So if you guys want to see if this hot sauce is as hot as their induction heating tool, then you're going to have to check out the Chubby Butcher. He's local to us. He's just a few blocks away. Like I said, he does small engine repair on the side. He is a butcher by trade, so he's very skilled in that regard when it comes to making his content. It's very relatable to what he does on a daily basis. And when he does the small engine repair and he needs all the parts, he buys all the stuff from us. Make sure you go check him out, guys. Chubby Butcher on YouTube. So if you guys want to be included in the sticker shoutout, once again, email address is going to be posted in the description and the comments down below. Send your info to that email address. We can do a sticker swap. You can get one of ours, send us one of yours. I'll put it up on the board back there, and then I'll just do one video covering all of the channels, linking all the channels. Maybe we'll even get the old man included, because I know you guys have wanted to see him in a video, and I know he enjoys sending out the stickers and reading all of the comments. We've got some nice letters sent our way, as well as some other various items. Like you guys can see there, Induction Innovations sent us some stuff, so I'll be sending that hot sauce over to my buddy T-Bone for review. Again, make sure you check him out. That's it for today, guys. Heat wave rolling through here, not too much going on. Not really filming a whole bunch, but I wanted to include the board there because, again, it is starting to fill up, and I am excited to do the sticker shout out. Got a lot of small engine repair channels nowadays. Some of them are blowing up. I know Chicanic is one of them. I think she's got like over 140,000 subscribers now, which is totally awesome. Nice to see some females in the trade. And I remember when, I started watching, it was pretty much only Donnie Boy doing it. So it's amazing to see how far the small engine repair community has come since, way back in 2007, 2008, when YouTube was in its infancy. More Medic 1 just hit 100,000 subscribers as well, and Eliminator Performance just passed 60,000 subscribers, so we're not that far off, guys. As I mentioned, trying to work out a big giveaway with Induction Innovations. I try not to include too much corporate stuff or other businesses and companies because, again, I don't want to make it seem like I'm a sellout or anything, but you guys know I never include any products that I don't personally use, and I'm not paid by any of these companies to promote their products. I just do it because they make good stuff. But with that being said, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, think about leaving me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. You can click over here to subscribe and click over here to watch one of my previous videos. I upload every single week, or at least I try to. So be sure to stop on by next week, check channel for new content. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.